Every piece of jewelry tells a story. But behind every piece is a business trying to keep up. A showroom manager who needs today's stock count before the customer asks. A worker tracking exactly how much gold went into a job and how much came back. A wholesaler who has to know instantly whose purity applies to which order. A trader watching gold prices move while 100 other things wait for attention. Different roles, different pressures, one shared question. Do you have the right information right now? If you run a retail showroom, you know the cost of a slow stock check. A customer walks, a sale is lost. If you run a manufacturing unit, you know the anxiety of not knowing exactly where the metal loss happened until it's too late to fix. If you're in wholesale, you know how one purity mismatch can turn into a dispute that takes weeks to untangle. If you trade bullion, you know that gold prices don't wait for your spreadsheet to catch up. And now, e-invoicing rules mean every one of these moments also has to be compliant instantly. Passion built your jewelry business. Control is what keeps it growing. Introducing WinGold Next. Complete jewelry ERP, built not around software features, but around the moments that matter most to your business, every single day. A customer picks up a ring, your staff scans it with RFID, no manual entry, no guesswork, and in seconds, WinGold Retail POS shows exact stock, price, and purity. That's the experience that turns a browser into a buyer. Whether it's your flagship showroom, a franchise outlet, or an online order, one dashboard shows you everything in real time. No more calling 3 branches to find one ring. Your Karagar logs a job card. WinGold tracks the metal in, the metal out, and the loss, automatically. No more end-of-month guesswork about where the gold went, even with outsourced production. Every customer has their own purity terms. WinGold applies them automatically, on every order, every consignment, every gram. So trust isn't something you have to double-check. Physical gold, FX positions, hedging, vault balances, all visible on one screen, updating as the market moves. Decisions made in seconds, not spreadsheets. E-invoicing, taxation, and accounting. Built in, not bolted on. Compliance happens as the transaction happens. A walk-in customer steps up to a counter, or your salesperson meets them at their home. One tablet handles the entire journey, capturing customer details and KYC on the spot, pulling up the digital catalog to show individual piece specs on demand, collecting ID documents, and closing with a digital signature. No paperwork left behind, no follow-up call needed to get their details later. And it's not just for the sales floor. From customer engagement to bullion trading and analytical reporting, everything runs faster with WinGold Next. That's control, that's growth. Your team carries the full business in their hand. Every department, every transaction, every gram. One system that speaks the language of your business, whichever segment you're in. Trusted by more than 3,500 jewelry businesses across 25+ countries. Built on more than 30 years of understanding this industry, not just its software, but its people. WinGold Next doesn't just manage your business, it understands it. Discover how WinGold Next can transform your business. Book your personalized demo today. WinGold Next, the next generation jewelry ERP for modern jewelers.